Hey everybody, Cloudsey420 here. Today we're going to do some 2018 Topps Museum. I love these cards. They're the nicest UFC cards I've seen so far. I mean, they're pretty pricey, but I'd say they're worth it. I'm going to try to get the whole set, so I'm probably going to do a lot of unboxing. Got my one touches ready. Anything I don't like that's not base or just people I like will be on eBay. So let's get into it. Look at this shit. Alright. One pack is all you get. 2018, 8 cards. 2 autos in here, 1 relic. Let's do it. Alright. Get these all lined up. First we got Marlon Moraes, numbered to 159. Alexander Volkov, numbered to 75. Base card, my girl Thug Rose. What's up, Wicked? Got Aspen Ladd. Not too bad. Rookie card. The Predator himself, Francis Ngannou. Going beast mode on Overeem. Oh, not bad, not bad. Nice hit. Jose Aldo relic, numbered to 75. And the Snake, TJ Dillashaw. Nice auto, nice card. That is nice. That will be on eBay. And last but not least, ooh, we got ourselves a Ruby, it looks like. It is. Joe Duffy Ruby, one of the only to beat Mr. Conor McGregor. Beauty card, though. Very nice. Probably will be on eBay, too. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. There'll be a unboxing, video coming up here. Just waiting for them to all come in the mail. And thanks for watching. Cloudsey420 out.